I'll tell you, वरुण को खुशी होती कि मेरा गाना बज रहा है, मेरा गाना बज रहा है, it's playing, it's playing, it's playing. तो even I'm on the phone with him and suddenly the song will start playing. अगर हम लोग कोई important भी बात कर रहे हैं ना, he'll stop talking and say the song is playing, change, put the channel. So it is just excitement, passion or excitement.
It's only passion.
So I think recreating this song, इतना सारा dancing, इतना सारा, ट्रेलर बड़ा ही क्यूट था यार, बहुत क्यूट लगा हमें. इस गाने के पीछे माधुरी जी and Sanju Baba, how is that feeling? मतलब
And Saroj ji.
of course, yes.
I think हम सब बहुत nervous थे. Me, Varun, Shashank, Bosco, who's choreographed the song, and we were all very nervous. पर I think हमारा एक ही agenda था कि हमको recreate नहीं करना है, हमको tribute देना है almost. कि हम लोग जब club में होते हैं, I'm sure जिन्होंने भी रात को clubbing किया है, I'm sure जब Bollywood night होता है और अगर कोई पुराना गाना बजता है, we all get so excited, right?
True.
तो ये वही है, पुराना गाना बज रहा है.
Tribute.
You know, और आजकल trend चल रहा है to recreate the old Hindi songs. But what we've done in this, what's done beautifully by Tanishq, who's our music director, we've retained the old voices. बप्पी दा की आवाज़ है, अनुराधा पोडवाल की आवाज़ है इसमें. Amin Siani is also there. So obviously RJ आप हो तो आपको पता है who he's a legend in the RJing world. Amin Siani की भी आवाज़ है इसमें. So it's actually a hashtag TBT. It's actually a throwback. And Badshah is also wrapped in this. So it's a fusion of old and new. And I think सबसे ज़्यादा pressure Bosco के ऊपर होगा. He's over here. किधर छुपे हुए Bosco उधर छुपे हुए. सुभाष घई की टोपी चुरा के आए वो आज. पर क्योंकि Bosco, were you stressed recreating this song? Because Saroj ji being the legendary choreographer that she is. झूठ बोल रहा है आदमी, but no, I think we all were little nervous obviously, but this is our take on it and we don't want to take more time. I know you all want to see the song, judge it, criticize it, praise it. But honestly, हम लोग ने दिल से किया है. Like or dislike it. You all can say whatever you all want, but we honestly had a blast doing it. And we've already got a thumbs up from Baba and Madhuri ma'am.
So let's have the song.
Let's have the song. Let's have the song, guys. See it and then tell us what you feel.
Alia, yeah. Madhuri is known for a great dancing moves. Was it a little difficult on your part to step into her shoes for this?
तो मैंने actually trailer launch में ही बोल दिया था that I am not trying to step into her shoes. Because that is totally impossible. Obviously बहुत, in fact जब हम गए थे उनको दिखाने के लिए मैं ऐसे बैठी थी वहाँ पे, because I was so nervous क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ उनकी. And Varun was saying, you know, Alia, I want to take a video of Madhuri ji, but looking at you, I just want to take a video of your expression right now.
मतलब माधुरी मैम ऐसे देख रही थी और आलिया माधुरी मैम को देखे. Her reaction for 3 minutes, Alia was just like.
The night before that, मेरे को सपने आ रहे थे कि I was supposed to go to a house and I forgot to go and I was getting nightmares and getting so scared because
Even
it's such a big
when we
deal.
went to meet Sanju sir, so we were sitting in the car and Alia told her drivers only, हाँ बाबा के घर लो, बाबा के. I said बाबा के घर तेरे दोस्त है क्या बाबा के घर?
1 second. I said आपको संजय दत्त का घर पता है? He said हाँ पता है. Then Sunil, my driver, who's a very big fan of Sanjay Dutt, he told Manoj, who is Varun's driver, बाबा के घर जाना है. So he is the one who said Baba, not me. No, but everybody calls him Baba, so then, but I said Sanjay Dutt.
Can you share some anecdotes, both of you, about your first meeting with both Sanjay and Madhuri as a child?
Actually, I have a great. My dad was doing this film with Madhuri ma'am called Yarana, which had Rishi Kapoor and her, and we were shooting in Switzerland, and there would be these long bus rides where we would go and. In the bus, we would play the song. In the bus, we would play the song. And I would remember dancing with her. I would dance a lot with her. So, in fact, recently when I met her, she said, Varun, the way you danced with me in that bus, till date, you've never danced on screen like that. Because obviously, I was much younger then. And she's like, the day you do that, that's the time you'll be completely free. Because you didn't care who I was, what I was. You were just dancing and enjoying us. I mean, I didn't, in my brain at that time, I couldn't fathom that I was dancing with the country's biggest star at that moment. But so I've danced with her in a bus.
Alia?
You had your own version of Chaiya Chaiya, but in a bus. मुझे याद नहीं है exactly. I know I remember having Sanju around as a kid a lot क्योंकि he spent a lot of time with my father. So he knows me since I was a child. Madhuri ma'am, I think I met when I became an actor only. I don't think I met her. But actually मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते कि I know you since you were so small. But when I was so small, I had no idea who anybody
Listen, I'm
was.
still so small only.
हाय
तो लेडीज फर्स्ट है ब्रो, लेडीज फर्स्ट है.
आज तुम चौथे कैसे गए, पहले कैसे नहीं गए? हाँ, कुछ गड़बड़ है, तबीयत ठीक है?
नहीं ठीक है.
हाँ, ओके.
ओके तो हमने देखा, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, हमने देखा बहुत ही एनर्जी दिखाई है आप लोगों ने गाने में, लेकिन क्योंकि गाने की जो लाइन होती है तू प्रेमी से स्टार्ट होती है और वैलेंटाइन डे भी आने वाला है, तो क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग करने वाले हैं आप लोग?
बोल दिया.
I missed you. ये तुम्हारा जो सवाल मैंने बहुत मिस किया. तू प्रेमी हमारे लिए कौन है, वरुण?
पहले तो तू प्रेमी मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ. आंटी.
रियल लाइफ में कौन है तू प्रेमी? मुफ्त कर दो.
कौन है?
मेरे लिए कोई प्रेमी नहीं है भाई. बोल दो.
ओह,
प्रेम चुप रहे.
एंड वरुण एंड आलिया, आज प्रॉमिस डे भी है, तो आज
डे कौन सा है भाई?
प्रॉमिस डे.
अरे रोज कोई ना कोई दिन होता है यार. आज एक ही दिन
क्या
है.
क्या
और
प्रॉमिस डे? प्रॉमिस डे. तो आज आप हमको एक प्रॉमिस कीजिए
क्या
कि आज के बाद आप प्रेमी के बारे में नहीं पूछेंगे.
ये ऐसा
हाँ,
कैसे हो सकता
आप तू प्रेमी देखिए बट पूछिएगा नहीं.
और आज कोई प्रॉमिस डे मेरे को ये सब पता नहीं. आज एक ही दिन है जो मुझे बचपन से दिखाया था, उसका नाम है सैटरडे. बस वही है. प्रॉमिस डे किसने बोला है? आज है क्या?
अरे डे बिफोर यस्टरडे वाज प्रपोज डे.
वैलेंटाइंस वीक.
किसने रखा है प्रॉमिस आज तक दुनिया में?
वैलेंटाइंस डे ठीक है.
मेरे को क्या क्या प्रॉमिस हुआ था अब तक नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ. टाइम है.
शशांक, हाय सशक्ष.
मैम यू आस्क. मैम इनको पूछो तो फिर उसके बाद आप पूछो.
Last two questions, guys.